In level 4, we will be writing the equation of tangent lines and normal lines to circles. A tangent line to a circle is a line that touches the circle at one point, and the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of tangency. A normal line is a line that's perpendicular to the tangent line. So in this first part, we will be writing the equation of a tangent line to a given circle at a certain point. First, we need the center of the circle. In this case, the center is -7, 1. To draw a picture of what this would look like in the coordinate plane, if we have a circle centered at -7, 1, and if the radius squared is 25, the radius would be 5, so a radius of about 5. And we have a tangent line at the point -1, 5. So somewhere up here, we have a tangent line to the circle. And that line just touches at one point, and it's perpendicular to the radius at that point. So if we want to write the equation of that tangent line, the first thing we need to figure out is the slope of the radius. If I find the slope of the radius, then I can find the perpendicular slope, which will be the slope of the tangent line. And since I know a point on the line, -1, 5, that's all I need to write the equation. So the slope of the radius of that particular radius. The 2 points I'm using are the center, -7, 1, and the point on the circle, -1, 5. So the slope would be, subtract the y's on the top, 5 minus 1, subtract the x's on the bottom, -1 minus -7. We get 4 over 6, which is 2/3. Now the slope of the tangent line is going to be the perpendicular slope. And we do opposite reciprocals, so it's going to be -3 over 2. And so the slope of this line is -3 over 2. And we know a point on the line, that's the point on the circle, the point of tangency, -1, 5. And we can just use point slope to write the equation of the line. It's going to be, remember, point slope is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And that would be y minus 5 equals -3 over 2, x plus 1. And it didn't say which form to leave the equation, so it's okay to just leave it in point slope form unless it tells us to put it in slope intercept form or some other form. And that's it. In the next part, we want to write the equation of a normal line to the circle at the point -1, 5. So similar situation, same circle, same center, and same point, -1, 5. A normal line is perpendicular to the tangent line. So a normal line is just a line that actually would be an extension of the radius, because the radius is already perpendicular to the tangent line. So this would be a normal line. We were trying to just write the equation of this line, which is actually just the equation of the radius, of that particular radius. So we already found the slope of that radius. It was 2/3, and the point that this line is passing through is the same point, -1, 5. And again, it's okay to just use point slope form unless it says to use another form. So I'm going to do y minus 5 equals 2/3 x plus 1. And that's the equation of the normal line.